All natural tooth powder, 2 ounces glass jar. Uncle Harry's all natural tooth powder is made of 100% natural ingredients with no synthetic additives such as preservatives, foaming agents, colors, artificial flavors, baking soda, etc. It is pH balancing and restoring. It also freshens breath and whitens gently. Uncle Harry's Natural Products is dedicated to making earth-friendly products at people-friendly prices. Their mission is to respect the earth and all of its inhabitants by offering the cleanest and most affordable body care products available, using only the finest quality, minimally processed ingredients, including local, organic, cruelty-free, and sustainable raw materials. Completely free of fluoride, carrageenan, triclosan, artificial sweeteners, and SLS. Gluten-free, and vegan. Made in the USA. Natural Foot and Shoe Deodorizer Powder, remove bad odor. This silk ceramic set has 3 convenient styling tools that are essential to styling hair: curling iron wand, full-size glove, flat iron straightener, full-size mini flat iron glove. Au Natural Color Theory Powder Corrector in Flax. We were given a discount in exchange for our honest review. This is the first time I have ever used a non-liquid concealer, and have to say I absolutely love it. Pros: easy to apply, lighter in weight and less messy. That liquid form does not leave an oily residue. Cons: the only con I really have for this is that the container is so small and the price so high. But I will see how far this little container will go before getting too uptight. Herbs and Crops 100% pure natural organically grown orange. Perfect condition. Exactly what it says it is. I'm using this as an ingredient for a face mask. I cannot wait to try this. Herbs and Crops 100% pure natural organically grown fenugreek. I encapsulate 1,200 milligrams of this powder and take it with my pre-workout for the gym. I read that this stuff is good to help men utilize more of the free testosterone in the body, and I have to say that I've gotten some pretty great results with this powder since using it. Now mind you, at first your sweat will slightly smell like maple syrup at the gym, but it will go away after a few days of continuous use.